Just wanted to say hi and welcome. We're going to get started. I picked up one of the large MDF Valentine's Day mason jars that they have out this year at the Dollar Tree and some rose gold vinyl. I actually already had this in my stash. I was going to try it in my Joy, but I tried the silver and it chewed up, even though I did research on it because I know it's different than regular vinyl. I'm never going to use it again and I don't care. Anyways, this vinyl, it's very thin. At least the shimmer colors are. I haven't bought any other colors, but you can't go as kind of fast, so to speak, like you could some contact paper. I had to peel off the whole thing and start over again because I had all these little tiny fine wrinkles in it. So go a little bit slower and be careful when you're going to use this vinyl. It works perfectly fine, but it is finicky. So here we are. I'm going to cut all the extra edges off. I still need a bigger cutting board. I'm jealous of you crafters that have giant ones. I need to get one. Anyways, we're on to this. Cut it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some sandpaper. I use a lower grit because it'll kind of chew through it faster. It's better to actually use a sanding block, but I refinished furniture and my blocks are a little bit chewed up and I need some new ones. You'll eventually see some furniture stuff on this channel. It sands off pretty easy. I take it off camera so you don't have to spend 10 minutes watching. I do a little cleanup on the edges. The vinyl sanded very easy like it would scrapbook paper because I've done that. And I've even done it with tissue paper. It sanded really easy off, basically like paper because it's so thin. After we're all sanded and cleaned up, I take a Love wood carved thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they still have these, but I know they have other stuff. I've seen some sort of other form of love in the wood. You could put welcome on here, put your family's name, just put a big heart in the middle, whatever you want. Here I am, gluing it on. I was going to do a 6,000, but I'm out right now. You'll see in this video clip here that I put it on straight across. But here's me wanting to change my mind because we know how craft life goes. So I can't believe I actually did it straight in the first place and not on the slant like a ball jar. Because I'm a mason jar junkie, as you could say. I've crafted them in every way. Paint, glitter, stones, fabric covered, whatever it is. I've done it in a mason jar and I've probably done 40,000 jars and I'm not even kidding. Here we are finishing this up. I do a blush twine that I have. Wrap around a few times. I'm going to end up making a finger bow and adding this cute little wood heart that says love. I got it on Amazon. It'll be linked in the description. I have used them in tons of projects. They're super cute. And here I am. I'm going to make a finger bow. Just a basic standard finger bow wrapped around a few times and cut it up. In another change by the end of the video, you're going to see I added a little bit of boxwood greenery. I'm a little more of a less is more type, but by the time I was taking pictures to put in the video, I was like, it just needs something. So I added the greenery. And then we're going to wrap up the video, and I'm glad that you stopped by, and I will see you next time.